In this course, in this part, of course, I'm going to describe the different methods to integrate SQL with Apache Spark Pool in Azure Synapse Analytics.
By creating analytical solution within Azure Synapse Analytics, the need for setting up multiple services to connect an Apache Spark cluster to an SQL database is no longer required. The Azure Synapse Analytics environment enables you to use both technologies within one integrated platform. The integrated platform experience allows you to switch between Apache Spark and SQL database. Apply it to the expertise you have in the house. As a result, an Apache Spark-oriented data engineer can easily communicate with the SQL-based data engineer on the same platform. The interoperability between the Apache Spark and SQL help you to achieve this following feature. That you can work with SQL and Apache Spark to direct, explore, and analyze packets like CSV, TSV, and JSON file that is stored in a data lake. Also, enable a fast, scalable load for data transferring between SQL and Apache Spark database. Also, that makes use of the share Hive compatible metadata system that enable you to define table on file in the data lake that can be consumed either in Apache or Hive. It raises the question of how SQL and Apache Spark integration works. That's where the Azure Synapse Apache Spark to Synapse SQL Connector comes into play. The Azure Synapse Apache Spark to Synapse SQL Connector is designed to efficiently transfer data between serverless Apache Spark pool and dedicated SQL pool in Azure Synapse. At the moment, the Azure Synapse Apache Spark to Synapse SQL Connector works on dedicated SQL only. It doesn't work with serverless SQL pool. In the existing approach, you often see the use of the Java Database Connectivity is JDBC, Application Programming Interface API. The JDBC API often the connection filter and apply projection, and Apache Spark read the data thoroughly, gives to distributed system, such as Apache Spark and SQL Pool are being used. Using the JDBC API come with a serial transfer data. For a new approach, it's the use both JDBC and Polybase. First, the JDBC open a connection and issue create external table as a select, a statement, and a filter and projection. The filter and projection are applied to the data warehouse and export the data in parallel using Polybase. Apache Spark reads the data in parallel based on the use provisioned workspace and the default data lake storage. As a result, you can use the Synapse Apache Spark Pool to Synapse SQL Connector to transfer data between a lake store via Apache Spark and dedicated SQL Pool